Welcome back to my channel. Are you tired of hair fall and slow growth? Imagine a natural hair oil that stops hair fall, speeds up growth, and gives you thicker, fuller hair, all with ingredients from your kitchen. Stay tuned, because I'm sharing the ultimate DIY hair oil that really works. If you want healthy, strong hair without harmful chemicals, you're in the right place. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to never miss natural beauty tips. Follicle stimulator. Why this hair oil works. Hair oils nourish your scalp, improve blood flow, and feed hair follicles with vital nutrients. This special blend uses oils that stimulate growth, prevent breakage, and thicken your hair naturally. Ingredients and their benefits. Rosemary oil boosts circulation, wakes up dormant follicles, and supports new growth. Black seed oil fights scalp inflammation and dandruff, strengthens roots. Coconut oil penetrates hair shaft, prevents protein loss, adds shine. Castor oil, rich in ricinoleic acid, increases scalp circulation, and promotes thick, dense hair. Fenugreek seeds, soaked in oil, these prevent hair fall and stimulate growth with their rich protein content. How to make the oil. Take 1/2 cup coconut oil in a pan. Add 2 tablespoons castor oil. Add 1 tablespoon black seed oil. Add 1 tablespoon rosemary oil or a few fresh sprigs. Add 1 tablespoon soaked fenugreek seeds. Heat on low flame for 5 to 6 minutes to infuse. Let it cool and strain into a clean bottle. Optional. Add 2 capsules of vitamin E for extra nourishment. How to use for best results. Apply the oil to your scalp with your fingertips. Massage in circular motions for 5 minutes to boost blood flow. Leave it on for at least 2 hours or overnight. Use 3 times a week consistently. Warm the oil slightly before application for deeper penetration. What you can expect. Noticeable reduction in hair fall. New baby hair growth in 2 weeks. Softer, shinier, thicker hair. Relief from dandruff and scalp itching. If you love this natural hair oil recipe, hit the like button and share it with friends who need it. Don't forget to subscribe because in the next video, I'll reveal a powerful hair mask that works perfectly with this oil to speed up your hair growth journey. See you soon. Thank you for watching.